Hi all, this is Tyler Krompiatek from Canisius. In this video we will go over how to add a webcam to our OBS scene. Before going further, we should click on the lock icon to the right of the main screen. This will prevent us from accidentally making any changes to this main screen. Let's get started. The steps to add a webcam are similar to when we added the main screen in the previous video. Click on the plus icon in the lower left of the Sources section. Select Video Capture Device. When the pop-up appears, rename it to Webcam. And click on OK. OBS will automatically grab a webcam if we have one. If we are on a laptop, this is typically the integrated webcam. However, if we have another webcam we would rather use, we can click on the name of the webcam and choose a different one. Otherwise, click on OK in the lower right corner. The webcam is probably very big on our canvas right now. However, we can use the widgets on the corners and the sides to scale down the webcam. We can also click and drag on it to move it around the canvas. Additionally, if we only want to capture the screen, we can hide the webcam by clicking on the eye icon. When we are done making our changes to the webcam, lock it. If we are looking to only record the webcam, we will need to set up a new scene. Click on the plus icon in the lower left corner of Scenes. In the pop-up that appears, name it Webcam Only. Hit OK after naming your scene. Then click on the plus icon in Sources. Select Video Capture Device. Because we already have a device set up, we can choose Add Existing and select Webcam. Then click on OK. This will automatically add the webcam to the canvas. It's probably a little small, so enlarge it to fit. To rename the original scene, right-click on it. Then select Rename. Type in the new name for the scene, and when you're done, hit Enter. Now, depending on the type of recording we want to do, we can switch between the scenes. That's it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please email us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.